Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so for today's video I have a very special collaboration. I am collaborating with Dawn of Dawn Loves Couture and also Cami of Cami's Closet. So we've been a little bit naughty, but what else is new, right? But we have some lovely things to share with you guys today, and if you want to see what it is we've been up to, stick around. Alright guys, so before we get started, I will share with you my bag of the day. I am using my Louis Vuitton Palm Spring PM backpack. One of my faves. They're all my faves, but this is one of my most favorite everyday user-friendly bag. It's amazing. Love the straps. I love this charm. This is only one of 3 Louis Vuitton charms I've ever had. And I love it, you guys. I think it's so cute, just dangling, because we love a good dangle here on YotaStyle. So it's just dangling here off this gorgeous backpack. So I'm gonna sit it right here. I'll probably be using this backpack for the next few days until I change out. I try to change my bags out about 2 or 3 times a week. All right, guys, so I've been running around like a chicken with my head cut off today. I had a lot of things to do. I went to get Easter for my grandchildren, went to lunch with my daughter, and then as soon as I get finished filming here today, I've got to change into my painting clothes, and I have my paint class tonight, or my art class with my students. But I thought I would go ahead and come up here and share with you what it is I got, and it's in this box. We all got something similar yet different, okay? So you'll just have to watch me, and then you'll have to run on over to Dawn and watch her and Cami to see what it is that we got, because all of our items have something in common. All right, guys. So, I'm so excited. I'm gonna go right into the unboxing because I don't dilly-dally. Now, you guys know I'm not a dilly-dallier, okay? Some people, they just keep talking and talking, and I know that, you know, they're gonna open it sooner or later, but when, okay? We're just gonna go ahead and open this bad boy, see what's inside, and then we'll do some talking. So, I have my, you guessed it, killer knife. I'm going to open it and share with you because this is a true unboxing, and I hope it goes well because I don't have a lot of luck with true unboxings, and I don't have a lot of patience. A lot of times I'll get something in the mail and I'll go ahead and open it. But anyway, guys, this has been sitting up here for over a week, so I opened up the tape. I'm gonna open it up, and voila. Well, what do you know? It's a Coach item. I'm on a Coach kick, you guys. I love Coach. Yes, I do. Coach is luxury to me. It's not, okay, let's not, forget all that. Let's just stop dilly-dallying, okay? So, I'm gonna go ahead and take it out, and we've got an item here in this dust bag, and we're gonna open it up and see what it is because I'm dying to see this. Eee! Okay, what is it, you ask? Oh my gosh, I just saw a little peek. Okay. Oh. Let's open up the dust bag. Let's reach in and pull it out. Oh my God. Let me pull this off. Okay. Okay. You guys, oh my goodness. Okay. There. Look at this tiny baby. Look at you. Oh, how sweet. How adorable. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm going to go ahead, turn the camera off, take all this off, and I'll be right back. As much as I do appreciate getting a bag that's wrapped up nice, they might go a little overboard at Coach. It's very annoying. Okay, I'm just about there. Okay, guys, so I'm going to inspect it before I cut off that tag, but I have cut off all of the paper. Okay, forget about that. But anyway, guys, this is my very first Tabby 20. You guys, I had to have it. I tried to resist. And I knew the minute that I saw this bag that I was going to get it. And I love it because it's kind of about the same size as my Chanel wallet on chain. And I am going to do some comparisons on all of these tabbies that I've gotten, and I've had requests to do a comparison on my Tabby 26 along with some similar bags. And I feel like this is about the size of my Chanel Walk. You know, maybe a little wider, but for me, this is a tiny itty bitty baby bag. But for me, it has to be able to hold my phone, which I have no doubt that it will hold my phone. This is an iPhone 15 Pro Max, and it does hold my phone. So I got this bag because I think it's a statement piece. I think it's a great going out bag, and Keith and I have been going out some on the weekends, and this weekend we're going to hear a friend of mine and his band play, and we've been doing that the last couple of weekends. So I love to carry just something small like this. And I knew when I saw it, you guys, I knew with the lips, you guys, the lips, okay? Eva, you have to get one. I know that she had been thinking about getting one. You're gonna, girl, you're gonna have to get one. That's just all there is to it. It will hold, I would say. And I don't have a lot of time right now, but I'll come back and do a first impression. I'm gonna carry it this weekend when we go out. But I can tell you there are 2 slots here. There's a divider. I really wish, I mean, there's no, it's just a divider here. I wish the divider wasn't there, but oh well. I can still put a card case in there, keys, lipstick, and a mirror. And then my phone. That's all I need. I don't even need keys when I'm going out with Keith. And then here in the front, you know, whatever. There's some, I always carry tissue with me, maybe some sanitizer. And I think it will carry everything that I need, or hold everything I need. Okay, so it says the Tabby bag, Napa leather. Is Napa leather the same thing as lambskin, Dawn? Anyway, you guys, look at this cutie. This is the cutest. It even matches what I have on now. And I just have on like this royal blue top and some black pants. And I think it would be really cute with what I'm wearing now. I love it. Dear Lord, please don't let Coach put out any more adorable tabbies. Amen. Because I can't take it. I can't resist, okay? So, is this my 5th one? You guys, I'm out of control, and I make no apologies for it. I'm not on a low buy, no buy. I'm on a buy whatever I see year, okay? No, not really, but I am on a roll. I am on a roll. I am going to check it really well and make sure that everything looks good, and everything looks great. And I will tell you guys, I've always said that I'm not a denim bag girl. A couple years ago, Autumn and I both got a denim bag, and it was Rebecca Minkoff. And I felt like the opening of it was kind of fussy, and I sold it, but it was really, really cute, but I wasn't crazy about it. And I really thought that this would sell out way faster than the denim, but boy, was I wrong. So if they do come back, if they do come back out with a denim 20, I think your girls go in there, okay? I don't want a 26, I want a 20. And Dawn did get a 20. Oh my gosh, you guys. And Cami got one in the 26, but hers was all messed up. But anyway, that's why I decided to really be careful before I cut these tags off. But mine looks great. It is so cute. And I may or may not have ordered the matching card case. I let the cat out of the bag. And I can even use the red quilted tabby card case, or no, not tabby, the red quilted card case that I got myself for Valentine's would match so cute with this, because I thought about getting the pink, but I got the red, and I'm glad because these lips are red, and I wore red lipstick today for the occasion, and I'm so happy. This is the cutest thing I think I've ever seen in my entire life. I really do. I think this is the cutest bag. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. It's so soft. Now I'm gonna admit, and Eva was the first one to tell me this, and then I had a subscriber say the same thing. The black ones are much softer. I'll bring them all out one day and show you all my tabbies. I'm so excited. But anyway, it's soft, but the black ones are super soft. You guys, I really I don't know what I'm going to do about this, okay? I can't stop myself. I'm not going to make any apologies. I am crazy for these quilted tabbies. Somebody had said to me that they would buy every one of them if they had the turn lock, one of my subscribers. And you know who you are, Krista. And I would love that too, but I don't mind the C. I really like the ones, like my tan one that has the leather. See, that looks so good and chic, but these are so cute, such cute little going out bags. So I'll put it on my shoulder and show you how I'll probably wear it on the weekends. Of course, I can wear it crossbody, but I'll probably just wear it as a shoulder bag. All right, hold on. I don't want to knock everything over. All right. This is the way that I'm going to carry her. Oh my gosh. Is that the cutest thing you've ever seen in your entire life? It is, you guys. And I can wear it crossbody. And I am 5'3". I know I don't tell you guys how tall I am every single video, Cami. But anyway, oh, that's perfect. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Okay. So you guys, I know I've done quite a bit of damage lately with these tabbies, but all of them combined is not even the price of one luxury bag. And I have yet to buy a luxury bag this year, you guys. I'm gonna get one for my birthday. I know I am, and that's in May. And I already have it picked out, but it's a big secret, you guys. Ah, cliffhanger. So listen how giddy I can't control myself, you guys. And I'm like so excited. And you guys, I know what the other gals got, so you have to go over there because they got something really cool. No, I can't. Okay, so you guys, I have no words. You know how rare that is if you've been watching me for a long time. But this is the cutest thing I've ever looked at in my entire life. Oh, you little cutie. Oh my gosh. Okay. And I've already seen on the Coach website that they've come out with a tie-dye, but I don't like that one, thank God, okay? Because I love tie-dye, you guys, I do. But I didn't love the one that I saw on the website, so thank God for that. But I'm sure they're coming out with more colors, and I do love that lavender color. Do I need it? Just let me know if you think I need it. Okay? So I'm going to listen to you guys, okay? The people have spoken. Just let me know what you think. But anyway, you guys, I love it. So this is the newest addition to my tabby collection. I know I keep saying I need more red in my life, and there's red lips on this bag. So what more could you ask for? But it's such a cutie patootie, a little small bag, but it carries everything that I would need for a night out. All right, so that's my unboxing. Now, I do have something to share with you for sale. Let's just put her right here with my bag of the day. So I have a pair of Nike brand new, almost, sneakers. These were Evan's, and Mr. Ticky says he doesn't wear Nikes. I don't know. But he wore them one time. And if you have a son, a grandson, a husband with a really big foot and you're interested in these, I'm going to give you a good deal. They're size 13, okay? And he did wear them once. Let me know. First come, first serve. So they're really nice. And then they have the swoosh. You guys, if I could wear them, I would. I don't know. Evan is just so picky. He wore them one time and said they're just not for him. But he has really big feet. But they're really nice shoes. So just let me know if you're interested in these. $50, you guys. That is a deal. So $50 for the Nike. Oh, I'll show you the back of them. For these Nikes that have been worn one time, probably for an hour or so. Probably not very long. I think he wore them to a restaurant. And he told his mother that's not his style. All right, guys. So I've had a great day. I couldn't wait to come up here, and I know I'm trying to rush things because I do have an art class tonight, but I couldn't wait, you guys. I just had to come up here and look at that little bag. It's the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. So I want you guys to meet me over at Dawn and Cami's channel. You guys go on over there. I'll be looking for you and see what it is they have. We all got something different. So yeah, check it out. And if you're interested in these shoes, let me know. First come, first serve. I take Venmo and PayPal. And yeah, I've had a great day, and I'm gonna have a great night teaching my students. I love it so much, you guys. So when we get finished, we are painting the Van Gogh Starry Night. We are studying artist, and I call this, what I'm teaching them right now, brush strokes from the past, where we do a master copy. And once we're finished with this, we're doing it all on one big canvas. So we've got Van Gogh, then we're gonna do Picasso, Monet, and I haven't really figured out who we're gonna study next. So we learn a bit about the history of the artist, because I like to stress that to my students that when you are an artist, you will learn so much from the masters of the past, and it's gonna be a great night. But anyway, you guys, I love you all so much, and yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so excited because I knew when I first saw it that I was gonna get it. I tried not to get it. I told myself, you don't need that, you're going overboard. But you guys, like I said, all of these combined doesn't really add up to one Louis Vuitton bag. And I think that's why I get so giddy. And I've had subscribers say to me, you always seem so much excited, so much more excited when you unbox Coach. And I think because it's affordable. To me, it's affordable and it's luxurious, okay? So I do get really excited when I get something this fabulous at a very affordable price that is so cute. It's definitely a statement piece, and I love it. So anyway, guys, I can't really think of anything else to tell you because I am trying to hurry. I am about 45 minutes away from my class, but you guys, I hope everybody's so anyway, I hope you're all having a great day, and I will see you again in a couple of days because I've done even more damage, okay? I'm making up for all these low buy, no buy people, okay? It's a little boring. I can't handle it. Just come on over here because we got a lot going on my channel, okay? There's a lot going on. None of that low buy, no buy crap. Nah, we're not gonna go there, okay? If you're doing it, good for you, sister, but that's just not for me. I've tried it, I've been there, I've done that, and I'm not going back to Van Island ever. All right, so I will see you guys again in a couple of days. Peace.